him call me and say, I would like to do something with you, but something that has never been done before. This is not a collaboration. He trusts me enough to give Fendi to me, and I trust him enough to give Versace to him.
I think people will probably freak out a little bit.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Yes, it finally happened. The Fendi and Versace collaboration has finally been released to the public, and I have so much to say about it. There's so many things that I want. By the way, if you love luxury fashion, my name is Adam, and make sure you like and subscribe. Turn on those notification bells below, and let's get right into it. Now, I do want to mention that I did edit a summary of the runway show, so at the end of the video, make sure you stay tuned to check out the actual show. So to start the video, I'm going to start it in different categories, and I'm going to first say what I want from that category, and then also mention some honorable mentions. So first, I want to start with handbags, and the handbags I am like so excited about. Okay, so the first thing on my list is this Fendi baguette bag. Now, if you know the Fendi baguette bag, you know that it's absolutely classic how they do it in the Fendi print. It's so absolutely beautiful. This one I really want. However, in this collection, they made a denim one that says Fendi on the denim, and has a Medusa clasp as the handle, and I absolutely love that. Like, I cannot express that enough. It's so like early 2000s, and it's such a collector's item. I love the fact that it has a top handle and a chain to like put over the shoulder, and again, the Medusa on it is just absolutely incredible. I absolutely need this one. So not only do they make this in a bag, but they also make a beautiful outfit of it. And honestly, if I was tall enough, I would totally get this entire outfit. However, like the denim look, I absolutely love it, and I think it's glorious. And the next bag that I would absolutely love is the La Medusa. Now, if you know me, I absolutely love the La Medusa. I do have this one right here in lilac, and I did do a review on it. If you haven't seen it, check it up on top. But this bag I absolutely love. So the fact that they now make it in black with the Fendi print is absolutely amazing, and obviously I 100% need this one. So the fact that they make the La Medusa in a Fendi print is absolutely amazing to me. 100% I need it, like hands down, like no ifs, ands, or buts about it. This one I will 100% get, and then the denim bag would be next. So the La Medusa and the denim bag are like my top two items, and I absolutely need them. And for the La Medusa, they are making it in a couple different variations. Of course, there is one with the tribute print on it, and then there is one with like a blue tribute print. I do, you know, like I love them all, of course, but there is nothing like the Fendi print one. The Fendi print, you know, like I said, I absolutely must need, and I'm very excited for it. The next bag on my list is what I call the cute bag. Now, this one is just so cute. I don't know if you do get the scarf with it, but I absolutely hope so. This one is another baguette one, and I absolutely love it. They do make this one in like a little bit of like a whiter version, but I absolutely love this one. It looks so comfy and just like so cute. Having this bag I think would be like perfect for the summer, and this is definitely one that I would love. Now, when it comes to the tote bags, I absolutely do love a good tote bag, and the one that I would specifically get would be the black one that is just, you know, says like the company's logo on it. This one, you really can't go wrong with it. It's super classic, and I really do love it. However, they do make a Fendi print tote with the Medusa head on it, and this one I honestly do love, but to be honest, I would have to see both of these in person. I'm not too crazy for the pink handle on the Medusa tote version, but of course you can always like dye it, paint it. You can do whatever you can to give it a different color handle, but you know, definitely like super cute, and I would love a good tote. But when it comes to the totes, I kind of think that I would just go for a regular Fendi one. Fendi does make these glorious, just like black ones with the wooden handles, and honestly, I kind of do love this one. So if I had to get one from the collection or one from the original Fendi line, I think I would go with the original one. And also when it comes to the totes, they do make two different versions of it. They have some couple colorful ones, and the colorful ones, I kind of think they're just a little too much, but you know, they are out there if you do like them. So next would be the baguette bags, and the baguettes are really cute. They do have the safety pin one, and the safety pin one, I considered on getting it. I love the classic Versace safety pins on one side of it. They do make this in black or white, but when it comes to this specific bag, I kind of like it without the safety pins. They do make this bag without the safety pins. It's just, you know, a beautiful solid black with the Medusa head on it, and this one is definitely like in the ones that I do want. It's just so classic, and you really can't go wrong with it. Another baguette that would be really popular is the Swarovski crystal one. Now this one is absolutely amazing, absolutely glorious and beautiful. Like you really cannot go wrong with this one. This one is 100% definitely a collector's piece. If I had the extra money to, throw at it, I definitely would. But to be honest, this isn't a bag that I would honestly use very much. It's just not really like me as like a person, but definitely like a great collector's piece. So the crystal baguette is absolutely amazing, and they are making these in miniature versions as well. So, if you would like a small miniature bag with crystals on it, these little baguettes are so cute and, definitely an option. The last categories for handbags would be the peekaboo. And this peekaboo right here with the Versace print on it, absolutely amazing. Again, I would absolutely love this peekaboo. They do make this like super cute gold one, and it has this amazingly cute gold jacket with it. I mean, this jacket is just, wow, like what a look. Like the jacket and the bag together. I absolutely love that. But then again, when it comes to the tribute print one, that one I absolutely love. So if I had to get a peekaboo from this collection, I would definitely get that tribute print one. Now for accessories from the collection, I have been thinking, and I honestly might want to get some of these bracelets. I think the bracelets are super cute. Again, with the coloring of them, they would go great with that Swarovski crystal bag, that baguette. That would be honestly really cute to have as a pair. However, I might consider getting some of the jewelry, but one thing that I definitely will get is going to be very like eccentric, I know, but I really do want this Swarovski crystal cup. Now, I am aware that the Versace cup is $1,000, but the fact that this one is Versace and Fendi, this is something that I would have for my entire life. So I think spending that price point on the cup is worth it for me specifically. Again, like the cup is just so beautiful. I did want the Versace one, but I wasn't really sure if it was like worth it for me. But the fact that it has the Fendi print and Medusa on it, 100% yes, absolutely, I would love to have it. Also the socks as well. I have been a huge fan of Versace socks lately, and the fact that this one, has Versace and the Fendi print on it once again, I would absolutely love the socks as well, and definitely the hat. I think the hat would honestly be really cute as well, so the hat is something that I would be looking into as well. So when it comes to the show, they had this great scene where they had like 3 models that wore similar dresses. Now this dress is very 90s. It's like they recreated the 90s dress, and it kind of reminds me of Powerpuff Girls as well. Now I know the colors are not Powerpuff Girl colors, but the fact that it is like 3 women and then it kind of has like a Powerpuff Girl vibe kind of reminds me of like Mean Girls as well. But these dresses are absolutely so cute. Again, when you pair it with that mini baguette, it's absolutely brilliant. And then again, like I honestly really love the pink one. Naomi with this pink dress is absolutely amazing to me. And another pink look that I absolutely love is this one right here. Now, I'm not sure what this look is specifically called, but when I seen this on the runway, I absolutely fell in love with it. I love the lace of it. I love the color of the pink. Everything about it is so beautiful. It even has a matching tote to go with it. So this is an outfit that I would love to see on someone like walking by. So, definitely a beautiful look. And then one last look that I personally really loved was this man right here. So again, like I would love to get this outfit, and I think he pulls it off so well. So for one, that I love his hairstyle with it, and then I just love this like entire outfit. So when it comes to the men's section, this is a look that I would love to see on someone. And the last item I want to show you is just these pair of heels, for the women out there. I think it's brilliant how they have the like, F for like the actual heel part. So, if you are interested in heels, I think these are super cute to have. So to sum up the collection, the top things that I do need is this denim baguette bag. Absolutely love it. I love it so much. I absolutely need it. Next would be the La Medusa. This one is like a huge priority. I absolutely need this one. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. This one must be mine. The next would be what I call the cute and comfortable bag. This one is just, like so cute and comfortable to have. I would rather get this one than one of the totes because, like I said, when it comes to the totes, I think I would just want like a regular Fendi one. So, I'm not too sure about that, but the cute comfortable bag, I do love that. Also, the simple classic black baguette with the Medusa hat on it. Absolutely need this one. Definitely like one that like speaks to my heart for sure. But also I must obtain the hats, the socks, and the cup as well. And that is, like definitely my favorites. Okay, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video to check out the summary of the actual runway show. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and have a great day. Au revoir.
my wrist, baby, make a wish. You could sell your Rari, but you can't afford my outfit. Versace on my wrist, baby, make a wish. You could sell your Rari, but you can't afford my outfit. Versace on my wrist, baby, make a wish. You could sell your Rari, but you can't afford my outfit. Versace on my wrist, baby, make a wish. You could sell your Rari, but you can't afford my outfit. Go wish. Go wish. Go wish. Versace on my wrist, baby, make a wish. You could sell your Rari, but you can't afford my outfit.